morning everyone. Now I'm stand Darul Arqam School, pre Pratapgarh Road, nearest landmark Khwaja Cold Store. So first of all, very thankful, very honored to all of you. Good to have you here, good to see here, and thank you to giving this opportunity. Farin Fatna, the principal of Darul Arqam, and every years have to celebrating a 15 August. India got from British rule. So firstly, very thankful to our country leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose. So small kids. How is the preparation for the 15 August? Let's talk about. Introduce yourself. क्या नाम है?
My name is Umra Fatima.
About speech.
Welcome speech.
पूरा बताओ.
Respected Honorable Chief Guest Sir, respected Manager Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, esteemed teachers and my dear friends, it is honor to welcome you all on this special occasion, Independence Day celebration. My name is Dania. I wish you a very happy Independence Day.
What's your name?
My name is Zunaira. I wish you a very happy Independence Day.
क्या नाम है?
मेरा नाम मैमुना है।
क्या कहना चाहेंगी 15 अगस्त क्यों मनाया जाता है और क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगी?
हमारा देश 15 अगस्त 1947 को गुलामों की जंजीरों से आज़ाद हुआ। इस देश को आज़ाद कराने के लिए हमारे बुज़ुर्गों ने अपनी जी जान लगा दी। मिलेगी मंजिल मकसूद हम ये ईमान रखते हैं, मिलेगी मंजिल मकसूद हम ये ईमान रखते हैं, मिलेगी मंजिल मकसूद हम ये ईमान रखते हैं। वतन से हो मोहब्बत यही ईमान कहता है, वतन से हो मोहब्बत यही ईमान कहता है, वतन से हो मोहब्बत यही ईमान कहता है। वफ़ादारी मेरे हर खून में है शामिल, वफ़ादारी मेरे हर खून में है शामिल, हम अपने दिल के हर गोशे में हिंदुस्तान रखते हैं। जज़ाकल्लाह।
Yourself.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Nashra. I am here appointing as a teacher.
Ma'am, why did you celebrate Independence Day?
We celebrate Independence Day to commemorate India's freedom from British rule because it is an honor to the sacrifices that our freedom fighters made, and we should celebrate it in a very good manner so that to honor our freedom fighters and the sacrifices, and especially especially the main freedom fighter that we idealize, Mahatma Gandhi ji. I want to say that he made a very basically he applies principle on non-violence and civil disobedience movement, which resemble unity in dignity. So we should follows his principles, and I want to give message to public and student, because students are the futures of India, so they should focus on their studies first and then the unity in dignity. That is the most important thing, and we should spread peace and progress in matter.
About few lines, what do you say? What do you like about Mahatma Gandhi?
He is the father of nation. We all know. He always want India to grow or to look like in a level up manner, like other countries. So I like the main thing is that he never loses hope. He always try to shape our India in a very good manner, in a very good status. So in everything, if we talk about education, he helps students. Or
Last 7 days, how much types is going on a preparation for about 15 August in the school?
our students are very very excited about 15 August, and they all perform very well. They are enjoying they are preparing dance performance, speech as well, and slogans or national symbols. They are very excited in preparing for 15 August, Independence Day.
Introduce yourself.
I am Fareen Fatima, principal of Darul Arqam Preschool, Salon.
Ma'am, public wants to know opinions. Why did celebrate Independence Day?
We are celebrating Independence Day because on this day our country got freedom from the British rule. India became free in 1947.
It's a little bit of few words about Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi, he is the father of nation who led his making the India free from the Britishers, and he struggled without using any weapons. His weapons were non-violence and truth to make our India free from the Britishers. So we always remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters, especially our Gandhi ji, and we always want to follow him, that we also should work like him and we don't have to use any kind of weapons or any hard words or harsh words to feel somebody demoralized or degrade. We have to always moralize and always maintain our dignity to raise our kids, to raise our country in order to use the beautiful and the polite and the soft words without using any harsh word, without using any weapons. We also can work hard to become or to develop ourselves, to grow ourselves as well as our country also, so that our country also shine like the other countries are also shining. We also have to work hard for progressing our country and our children.
Ma'am, last 7 days, how much time will preparing for your children and staff? How much?
Our children are very much excited. Actually, this whole week we have enjoyed as a Independence Week. First of all, we have conducted a different activities in our school, which enhances the creativity skills of the student as well as develop or generate the knowledge of tricolors, knowledge of about the freedom fighters. This manner, children learn about our freedom fighters. They learn about the importance of our tricolor, importance of our flag. What are the color? Even in the pre-nursery class, our 3 years children also learn about the tricolor colors, different colors, name of the freedom fighters. So this way they learn a lot of things, and that we started from the starting of this week only. And we are preparing for the 15th August, that national symbols. Children are preparing for that. They are very much excited for the tomorrow's program. They are preparing a speech. They are preparing dances, patriotic songs. They are preparing the colors name that is in Arabic. So many programs are there which my children are preparing for the tomorrow's program.